The KMA 120R is a brand new cordless KombiEngine that's part of the AP system of battery tools. This entry-level tool can be used to power a wide variety of KombiTool attachments, meaning you can tackle multiple landscaping and gardening tasks without the need for different tools. The KMA 120R can be used with any KombiTool attachment in the range, excluding the smaller FSB-KM bent shaft grass trimmer, as the Kombi powerhead is too powerful for this attachment. This means you won't have to replace any Kombi tools you may already have, and it's an easy way to move across to battery power. Our most popular professional attachments include the FS-KM grass trimmer attachment for mowing and clearing along walls or fences, the MB-KM metal blade attachment for clearing tough grass and scrub, the HL-KM 145 adjustable hedge trimmer attachment for shaping or cutting back hedges, the BG-KM leaf blower attachment for clearing leaves and debris, the HT-KM pole pruner attachment for pruning branches or trees, and the RG-KM rotary cutting attachment for low spin removal of weeds and grass in paved or gravel areas. The tool is fitted with a loop handle which can position the KMA 120R across the body and can be adjusted quickly thanks to the quick release system. Simply release the orange clamp and move the handle to a position that best suits you. To use the KMA 120R, first choose the Kombi tool you need. Let's say for this job it's the FS-KM grass trimmer attachment. Insert the Kombi tool into the shaft and tighten it to secure it in place. Once this is done, check the work areas for wildlife. Then slot in the battery and choose a speed level. Eco mode reduces the RPM to extend the runtime, while level 2 is for maximum performance in demanding applications. In both modes, the trigger also allows you to vary the speed to suit the job at hand, thanks to the brushless EC motor. Once you've chosen your speed level, you can start using the KMA 120R to complete the task at hand. And when you've finished grass trimming and need to switch to a different Kombi tool, you can easily remove the attachment and insert another Kombi tool and start working again. As part of the AP system, the battery that powers the KMA 120R can be used with any other tool in the AP system range, ranging from lawnmowers to chainsaws and more. There are many combinations of batteries and Kombi tools to give you the working time you need with your KMA 120R, and these can all be found on our website, stihl.co.uk. It's important to wear the correct PPE when using the KombiEngine. The PPE you wear all depends on the attachment you have on the machine. For full guidance on this and to find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or speak to your nearest STIHL approved dealer.